Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will showing you exactly how to use final round AI in 2025. If you are preparing for job interviews, whether behavioral, technical or company specific, this tool can help you level up your skill first with the power of artificial intelligence. I will walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your account to getting personalized feedback from the AI. Let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand what is Final Round AI. So it is an AI-powered interview preparation platform that simulates real-life interview scenarios. You can practice on one-on-one mock interviews with an AI interviewer, receive instant performance feedback, and even get suggestions on how to improve your answers. Whether you are applying for tech roles, businesses, positions, or creative jobs, Final Round adapts to your needs with realistic questions and smart coaching. So once you are on Final Round AI, you just need to be getting started, like sign up and check out your dashboard. So start by creating an account. You can sign up quickly using Google, LinkedIn, your email. So here you can go with this one, or you can go get started for free. So I will go with that one. So I will just click over here, then I'll choose my Gmail account, and then it will do their work. I'll select my Gmail address and then click continue. And after sign in, you will land on your main dashboard. Here you will see your user profile, practice states and previous sessions. From this point you are ready to begin practicing. So here you can see this is the whole things. So now we are going to talk about the interview type. Now click on start interview. So you can click this one, or you will have these options. So here you can explore it one by one if it is needed for you. So now just click on start interview. In here, Final Round AI will ask you to select an interview type. So here you can see there's a couple of options here: general interview, coding interview, here higher view interview, or phone interview. So it only general interview available for us. So I will click over here, and then here you can see. So now you just need to be select your interview type. You can choose behavioral interviews, like tell me more about yourself or describe a challenge you faced. You can also pick technical interviews such as coding questions or system design prompts. There's also an options for industry specific interviews, whether you are applying as a software engineer, data analytics, product manager, or something else. If you want to go even deeper, there are company specific settings, so you can simulate an interview as if you are interviewing at Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. So from that place, you just need to select your resume, or you can import it LinkedIn. This is optional, it is not the necessary. Here you can see it. Once it's done, you feel it's okay, you just need to click on here launch, and the live interview simulator is ready for you. So here you can see interview disrupted, some permission have not been enabled, so you just need to enable the permission. So I will click over here, and then I will reset the permissions. Here you can see it already been done. Request, reload, and now it will be okay. Also, while visiting this site, allow this time, and it already been allowed. Connect your interview meeting room. So once you have selected your category, the AI interview begins. The system will ask questions by video or text depending on your setting. You can respond using your microphone or type your answer, whichever you are more comfortable with. A typical mock interview includes 3 or 5 questions. You will notice that the platform gives you options to pause the sessions, read trivial questions, or skip it. During the sessions, the AI might guide you with real-time suggestions, like try to be more specific or explain the impact more clearly. Now let's talk about getting feedback and insist. So let's try to give an interview in here. So connect your interview meeting room. So I'll click over here, select, and you can see all the process. So connect your interview card to unlock free trial expense. So you just need to provide your card number, expiration date, and CVC. And once it's done, you just need to click continue, and it already been okay. So here you can see we have three options. So you can see there is a options. I'm going to select my microphone. Yes, it already been selected. So here it already been started. So just click the gear icon and you can see confirm and setting updated successfully. Once you have selected the interview meeting room, the transcript will be displayed here. So you are able to use this, but right now you are not, because it is available in premium plan, so it's sometimes become a headache for us. Now let's talk about, like, after completing the sessions you will receive detailed feedback instantly. The AI evaluates your response based on structure, clarity, confidence, and relevance. If you use video, it also analyzes eye contact, tone, and speaking pace. You will also get a summary report with your performance breakdown, highlighting filter words, how well you followed the STAR method, and where your answer could be stronger. One of the best part is that final round AI providers model answer and recommendations to improve your response next time. And here you can see we have this mock interview option, so I'm going to click on of them, and here you just need to go select your informations, accountant, and then click to the continue and give your all this thing in here. Accountant, select your role level, like the entry level, then you can provide all this, then just click to the next, and here you just need to be job readiness assessment, and then it will be done. So here you can see the practice questions. You can go practice with this question, tell me about yourself. Just click this one and start speaking, and you can start speaking in here. So here you can see it already been typing. So myself, Mahin, and I am a student, but I want to work with you guys. So here you can see it already been started in here. So I click on finish, and it already been done. So in this way you can start your practicing by clicking on mock interview. So use custom basic mode. Like if you want to focus on specific skills, head back to the dashboard and click on custom practice. This allows you to build your own interview sets by choosing specific topics like leadership, teamwork, conflict resolutions, or data analysis. You can also choose your difficulty level, beginner, immediate, or intermediate, or expert, and set a timer limit per question. This is especially helpful if you are preparing your time sensitivity interviews or assignment rounds. And that's it, a complete overview of how to use final round AI in 2025. It's like having a personal interview coach available anytime you need it. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.